guys, in this video we will learn how to change the text color uh, within the web view of the live website or web page. So let's start. So we will use that URL to change the text color. We will change that text color within the web view. Okay, so firstly we will copy that URL and paste it here. Okay, so firstly we will run the app. Yeah, so we will change that text color to red. Okay, to change that color, firstly we need to uh, uh, add the delegate. So we will use the navigation delegate for this functionality. uh, Now we need to add the delegate function within that class, and that delegate function within the WK navigation delegate. The function name is WebView did finish delegate method. So this method is called when the WebView has finished loading the page. It's the right place to inject the JavaScript code because the web page content is fully loaded and rendered by the time this method is called. Now let's start by adding the script to change the text color. Firstly we need the element. So this script targets specific elements on the page by class name, then modifies their CSS to change the text color. So get elements by class name. This JavaScript function retrieves all the HTML elements that have the specified class names. In this case, it's targeting elements with the class name. We will check the class name for this text. Firstly we will inspect that web page. Okay, so this is our text and this is our class name for this text. We need to copy that class name and paste it within the single quote. Okay, now we have to check the element's length. If the element length is equal to 0, then we can log the error message into the console. If the element length is greater than 0, then we will get the element's first element and we will change the text color by using the style attribute, and we will set this to red. Okay, so this is our text script. Now we need to evaluate that script into the JavaScript function. So firstly we will need to evaluate JavaScript. We will add the script variable here, and in the completion handler if we will get any error, then we will print that error message, else text color changes. So what is evaluate JavaScript? It is a method which provided by WK WebView framework that allows you to run JavaScript in the context of the web page. After the web page loads, this method injects the script we created into the page and executes it. Yeah, we need to add braces. Yeah, now you can see the text color changes from black to red. So this is the script that executes to run and update the text color. Thank you.